Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As a continuation of the others, this is the application that we are going to use, the open source software Logisim. If we put them to 0, 0, A and B, then the sum is 0, the carry is 0. If we have 1 at B, then the sum is 1, the carry is 0. If 1 at A and 0 at B, it will be the same thing. 1, 1 is going to have a sum 0 and the carry is 1. This is the half adder. We combine two half adders in order to get the full adder, as we mentioned earlier in the previous lecture. We need to implement this full adder will accept 3 inputs and have 2 main outputs, the sum and the carry, as you can see them there. If we set them back to zeros, 0, 0, 0, then we have the sum 0 and the carry is 0. If we have 1 at A, then the sum is 1, the carry is 0. If we have the opposite, 1 at B, this is 0 is going to have the sum 1 and carry 0. If we have 1, 1, then 0 and the carry is 1. If 3 of them is 1, then the sum and carry, both of them are 1. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. This circuit can be built and combined together in one block, and this is the 1-bit full adder, 1-bit full adder, A, B, and CIN from the top, carry N, and there is a sum and the carry as well. And as you can see here, you can implement the same things there. Sum 1 and carry 0. If we have 1 at A, 1 at B, then 0 and sum carry is 1. If we add the carry N, then it is going to have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is the sum is 1, the carry is 1. 4 of these is combined together in order to get the 4-bit adder, 2 4-bits adder, A and B, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, starting from the top and going bottom down, propagating of the carry. We need to add here 1001 to 111, which is the 7, number 0111. So 9 plus 7 should be 16, and 9 will be at A and 7 will be at B. We will adjust them at the beginning. We put all zeros. We have 0 for the sums and the carry out. And okay, if we adjust them to be 1001 at A and 0111, which is number 7 at B, then we're going to get number 16. If we add the carry, of course, we get number 17. This is the same as illustrated there. So it's the result is 16. If you add 1-bit carry, then it will be 17, as you can see here. Okay, now look for this. This is the combined together to get the 4-bit. 2 4-bit adder, A and B, the carry from the top, and we can adjust the input from here. I'll put it zeros, 4 zeros and 4 zeros. The result is 0. Of course, there is a carry on, and I'm going to reset it. It's the carry on there. This is adding with the carry. Yes, of course. Yeah, 0 here, so it's going to be 16. 16, and if we add the carry, it's going to be 17. Okay, you can add different numbers if you like. If we put 1 and 7, this is 8 with the carry, of course. Take the carry out, it's 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, that's it. It's the same thing. Put it back to 9 and 7, you get 16. Okay. We talk about the subtractor. Subtractor idea is to have the two's complement of a number, to have a ones complement plus 1. So there is a control, exclusive OR can do the job, either the control with 1 or with the 0. If it's 0, it's use it as a buffer, and if it's 1, the exclusive OR will be as inverter to invert the number and give us the ones complement. Let us look to it here. This is in case that it's 0, so it's inverter. Okay. Let's look here. This is going to be control is 1. So you can see 0 is giving us 1. 1 gives us 0. So it works as inverter. When it's 0, then it is repeating the same as the input. The input will be as a buffer. We call it a buffer, as the input equal to the output, or the output equal to the input. Okay. As soon as we put the control with 1, it will invert for us. So this is the 4 exclusive 4 bit. We're going to use it for bit B, byte B, the 4-bit B. And this gives us the 1's complement, and the 1 plus is going to get from this switch. So if it's 1, is going to make a subtraction. 1's complement plus 1 is going to give us the 2's complement. And then we can subtract the numbers. In order to subtract, you have to put 1. In order to add, you have to put 0 at that switch, sub and add. So this is the two numbers. We already set it up. Okay. So look to the result. When we have 0, there is a carry in or not here. Yeah. This is the numbers that we add together in order to get the result. See the numbers here. It's the same as I did. This is a 9 plus 7 example, and it's going to give me 16. If we put 1, that means we need to subtract. So 9 minus 7 is going to give us 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Don't worry about the carry. This is to be discarded, the C out. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. And so on. Watch for the numbers here. Fifteen minus 12 is 3. And so on. So this is a subtractor used here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.